like fractions, and also we will solve the exercise 7.5 problems. Okay, yes, let's see the examples, how to solve the how to add the addition of two fractions and how to subtract the addition of two fractions. Okay, especially the like fractions. Okay, you see here, add 5 by 8 and 2 by 8. As you can observe here, both the fractions having the same denominator, so then these two fractions are like fractions. Okay, in the first step, how can we add that? Yes, in the first step, we have to write the two fractions using the symbol addition. Okay, it's right here, 5 by 8. We have to add, keep the addition symbol. So here there is a divider line. So for the, in that between, we have to write the plus mark and 2 by 8. Okay. In the second step, so what we have to do? We have to write the denominator as it is. Why? Because these are the like fractions having the same denominator. We have to keep the denominator as it is, 8. Okay, then now add the numerator. Okay, is 5 plus 2, which is equals to, yes, now add the numerator. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 divided by 8 as it is. Okay, yes, what is the sum of 5 by 8 and 2 by 8? That is 7 by 8. Okay. Then similarly we have to do the second problem, 3 by 10 and 8 by 10. Find the sum. Okay, sum or addition or total are also same. Okay, then find your solution, answer. So first write the given fractions using the addition symbol, 8 by 10. Yes, now you observe here, two fractions having the same denominator. Write the denominator as it is. Equals between, we have to write the divider line, and in the denominator write 10 as it is. Okay, then add the numerator, 3 plus 8. Okay, which is equals to 3 plus 8 is equals to 11 divided by 10. Yes, what is the sum of 3 by 10 and 8 by 10? Yes, that is 11 by 10. Yes, you can observe here 11 by 10 is an improper fraction. Means numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can write this in the mixed fraction. Okay. Yes, right here in a mixed fraction, which is equals to, is divide on the right side by 10. 10 1 ja 10. Remainder is 1. Yes, right here quotient whole. Remainder is 1 by divisor. Quotient whole, remainder by divisor, which is equal to 1 whole 1 by 10. Is it clear? Yes. Let's see the other example of subtraction of like fractions. In subtraction of like fractions, find the difference of 7 by 9 and 5 by 9. If these two given fractions are like fractions, we have to subtract these two fractions. Okay, so in the first step we have to write the given two fractions using the subtraction symbol. Okay, right here 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Okay, so in the subtraction of like fractions, so we have to write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerators. Okay, yes, which is equals to, yes, write the denominator as it is 9 and subtract the numerator, 7 minus 5. Okay, 7 minus 5 is equals to how much? That is 2. 2 divided by, write the denominator as it is. The given difference is the obtained difference is 2 by 9. Okay. Yes. Similarly, we have to do the fourth one. Subtract 7 by 16 minus 4 by 60. Yes. In the solution, write the given problem as it is. 7 by 16 minus 4 by 16. Okay. Yes. Now here both the fractions having the same denominator. In the next step, write the denominator as it is 16. Okay. Yes. Then subtract the numerators. 7 minus 4, which is equals to, then subtract the numerator. 7 minus 4 is 3 divided by, write the denominator as it is 3 by 16. So it is the obtained difference of 7 by 16 and 4 by 16. Is it clear? Yes. So in the first step addition, in the first step of addition and subtraction of a like fractions, we have to write the denominator as it is, and we have to add or subtract the numerator. Okay. Yes. Finally, we will get the sum or difference of the fractions. Okay. Then let's solve the exercise 7.5. Yes. Let's solve the exercise 7.5. The first way we have to do it in the textbook itself. Okay. Yes. The second way is solve 1 by 18 plus 1 by 80. So here there is the addition symbol. We have to add these two like fractions. Okay. Yes. We know the solution. So if the fractions are two like fractions, so what we have to write? We have to write the denominator as it is and add the numerator. Okay. Yes. Numerator here is 1 and 1. We have to write 1 plus 1. Okay. In the next step, so 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2, divided by, write the denominator as it is 18. Okay. Yes. Now you see here, is it in the simplest form? No. So what we have to do? We have to write in the simplest form. You see here there is a 2 and 18. So both these two numbers are divisible by the same number, that is 2. So how can we write here? We can cancellation. We can do the cancellation, or else we can divide by the 2. Okay. So I will do here cancellation. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18, which is equals to 1 by 9. Okay. Yes. Similarly, we have to do the G question. Rest of the questions we have to do it in notes. Okay. Yes. Here 1 minus 2 by 3. See here they are given one of the fraction, that is whole number they are given, and subtract 2 by 3. So in the bracket they are given. So 1 can be written as 3 by 3. Right. A whole part can be written as 3 by 3. Right. Yes. Right here solution. 1 can be written as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Yes, now you can see here both the fractions having the same denominator. Then subtract here. Write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator 3 minus 2, which is equals to, write the denominator 3 and subtract the numerator 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. Okay. It's 1 by 3 is the obtained difference. Okay. Is the next problem 3 minus 12 by 5. You see here they are given the 3 as a whole number. Yes, how can we write this 3 as the denominator is 5? Yes, we can write here 3 can be written as 15 by 5. It means 5 1s are 5 3s are. Right? The whole number is 3 here, so we can write it as, then 3 is equals to 15 by 5. Okay. Yes. Now write instead of 3 15, which is equals to 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Okay. Then subtract here. Write the denominator as it is 5. Okay. Then 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12, which is equals to 15 minus 12 is 3 divided by denominator 5 as it is. It is the obtained difference of 3 minus 12 by 5. Okay. Is it clear? It's like that you have to do the rest of the problems in your notes. Okay. The third question is, Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? You see here, Shubham he painted the 2 by 3 of the wall, and his sister also helped to paint, and she painted the 1 by 3 of the wall space. And total totally both of them, how much fraction did they painted? Okay, yes, now we have to write the fraction of Shubha painted. Yes, in the solution, fraction of Shubha painted is equals to how much? That is 2 by 3. Fraction of Madhavi painted. Okay, yes. Fraction of Madhavi painted is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so total what they are asking here, how much did they paint together? Here together means we have to add both the fraction. Okay, yes. So first I write here total is equals to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. As you can observe here, both these fractions are like fractions. So what we have to do? Write the denominator as it is. Okay, let's write the denominator as it is 3 and add the numerator 2 plus 1. So which is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3. Yes, 3 by 3 is a whole part, means 3 1 ja 3 1 ja, right, which is equals to 1. So both painted the whole part, right? Is therefore right, both of them painted whole part or whole wall. Both of them painted together, painted whole wall. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then let's go to the fourth question. Yes, the fourth one is filling the missing fractions. Okay, so here they are given the four questions. So I have taken two. Okay, in the first question, 7 by 10 minus dash 3 by 10. So we are doing here the addition and subtraction of like fractions, right? So in that what we have to write is both the fractions are having the same denominator, right? You see here 7 by 10 minus dash 10, which is equals to 3 by 10, they are given, right? So in this numerator what we have to fill, just you see here, so 7 is a minus, subtract and dash, then what we have to do is 7 minus dash is equals to 3. So in that 7, so which number we have to subtract to get the 3? As you can see here, 7 minus 3 is 4, right? We have to fill the 4. So here also we have to fill the 4. Therefore in the given blank we have to fill the 4 by 10. Okay, so 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Then 10 is the denominator, having these two are like fractions. Okay, so we have to write the 10. Okay, yes, therefore 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10, which is equals to 3 by 10. Okay, yes, similarly do the fourth question. Okay, is blank plus 5 by 27, which is equals to 12 by 27. Okay, yes, so first write here solution. We know that the given blank, in that given blank we have to write the like fraction of the other, right? So here the 27 is in the denominator, so we have to write in the denominator 27 and see here the numerator is dash plus 5 is equals to 12. Is how much number we have to add to 5 to get the 12? Yes, we can see here if we add the 7 we will get the 12, right? Yes, 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Okay, therefore in the blank we have to write 7 by 27. Therefore 7 by 27 plus 5 by 27 which is equals to 12 by 27. Okay. Yes. Similarly, you have to do the remaining two problems the same time. Okay. Then let's go to the fifth question. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Yes, see here the basket of oranges was given by the Javed is 5 by 7. So, what fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So, we have to subtract here. Here they are asking the what fraction of oranges left in the basket. So, left means it is remaining, right? So, we have to subtract the fraction. Yes, first sentence what we have to write? Fraction of oranges Javed given. Okay. Yes, right here. Fraction of oranges. Fraction of Javed given. That is 5 by 7. Okay. Yes, total fraction is equals to total basket of oranges is equals to we can write fraction of oranges, fraction of basket of oranges is equals to so it is the whole basket. So whole basket means we have to write 1 or we can also write 7 by 7. Okay. Yes. Now what we have to write? Fraction of oranges left in the basket. Right here. Fraction of oranges left. Fraction of oranges left in the basket. Okay, which is equals to right hand side 7 by 7. In the whole we have to subtract minus 5 by 7. As you can see here both the fractions are in the like fractions, so we can easily subtract. Yes, which is equals to write the denominator as it is 7 and subtract the numerator. Okay, yes, that is 7 minus 5. That which is equals to write the denominator as it is. Subtract here 7 minus 5 is equals to 2 by 7. Is what fraction of orange is left in the basket? That is 2 by 7. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So up to here we have learned addition and subtraction of like fractions and also we have solved the exercise 7.5. In the next class we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions and mixed fractions and we will